What's going on, YouTube family? January 31st with the family. My cousin came down from Florida. Say hey, cuz.
Hey, YouTube.
Wifey in the back. She's not feeling too good, but we headed to the farmer's market to get some blue crabs. You know, I make my world famous blue crabs, garlic crabs. So we headed to the farmer's market. Stay tuned. Get your popcorn ready. It's about to be a show. Tell your friend. You know what? I may just go live. So, cuz found out that Florida is not colder than Georgia right now. Walked outside and he realized Georgia is nothing to play with right now when it comes to this cold weather. I just thought I'd come on and tell y'all that because he had something to say earlier. Yo, what's going on for YouTube family? So, we left the market. We got the crabs, we got the seafood, we got the corn, we got starting to boil so I can get my world famous garlic crabs together. So cuz here today. Cuz came out with to Florida to spend a little time with his cousin, been going through a lot. Cuz been always in Macona. But he talked all that trash about Florida colder than Georgia right now. And look at it.
Hey, don't listen to that nonsense. That's the Florida cold messing with his head.
Cuz. So got his little heater. He got his little heater. We got the boil going. And look what we got here. Y'all know what time it is. The world famous blue crabs. It's about to go down. Stay tuned, locked in, baby. Stay tuned and locked in for my world famous blue crabs. You got something to say? Say it in the comment, because you know I be looking. So, yes, I'm going to start putting the crabs in there so they can boil. That's what we do. We do this. We do this. They stung because they so cold here. They're like big boys. Big blues, big males. Big boy. Hold on for dear life. Look at that. seen this pattern. J Slim with the Miami Dolphin logo. Woo! I don't want no YouTube strike, so let me go ahead and turn that down. Got it. Spoiler. Y'all know red a little bit. 2 more minutes. Go ahead, God. How's it going, buddy? Hey, Carl, close the door. Carl, let's get him, Carl. He be giving me a hard time. Nah, that Pops right. That's Letitia there.
You gotta realize
that's
that
Claude.
will get you first.
Claude, I call him Pops, but his real name Lawrence, but I call him Pops. That's my cousin Deep. His real name Claude, but we call him Deep.
All right. You like Atlanta, Doc?
I like it.
See that, Johnny? Now if I take you to Louisiana
Oh, here
for
we
that
go.
good food,
Well, I always say that.
you be like,
Hey, don't pee on the crabs. He tripping.
that's all right there, peeing on the tray.
Well, he pee on the box.
Like that beat right there.
Well, yeah, man. I had to turn the music off. I don't want to get no YouTube.
Johnny,
Yeah, Paul.
man, we gotta go back down to Florida.
Check it out, you ain't all that.
You know about that?
Hey, Doc, I ain't gonna lie, I had a good time.
You gonna love it,
I ain't gonna lie, bro, I had a good time. Everybody feel like, hey man, we gotta tell Johnny who goes back, we gotta go back down, man.
Listen, I'm coming to Louisiana, man. I'm coming to get some of that good food.
We have the best stuff in Goodman.
We're about to take some of these blue. Take some of these blue crabs out and put them in here so they float. For all y'all that don't know, I've been doing crabs since the 90s, y'all. Just in case y'all don't know, YouTube, this is not my first rodeo. I'm talking to the YouTube people that I've been doing this since birth. This is my first rodeo. This is probably y'all's second, third time seeing it on the channel, YouTube. But y'all,
This ain't your first one.
this ain't my first one. I've been doing this since Franklin Park. A lot of by the sea days, that's what it is now. There wasn't a lot of I was New River Rogers. I was doing this. Now look at these pretty blues. Ooh, look at these blues. They red now, but they were blue before. Matter of fact, let me check and make sure they.
Got my Android when I was getting my. I was Android, but he made me stuff.
Keep telling you, I'm
You talking about we battle with that every day.
iPhone 17 sucked.
Yeah.
That shit was so slow.
Cause you got so many pictures.
It don't have nothing to do
Sean, you
with it.
do porn, so you got a lot of pictures.
But
That's
still,
why.
I download
You see what she said?
But when
Still.
I uploaded on videos, God been so crazy. I just playing with him. I'm gonna play along with him.
Listen, I'm like, man, I know you're not. I can't watch none of the videos.
Very deep, look like the DJ.
Make sure I don't see none of the videos. We did that.
Put him in the middle. Y'all go there. Okay, they go there, y'all.
What is it?
Y'all feel out there. She's limit.
That's why you can't play with Sean. Sean don't play back sometimes, though. You gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. And counting. And put on your timer.
But next to me, so I have to watch this thing. So if this thing is good, let me decide for that.
Hey.
The next time you disobey,
Oh, I recorded y'all, just so you know. I recorded y'all. Yeah, with that jet.
What you doing?
gave you 24 hours.
Y'all supposed to show me how to do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it to you.
We're supposed to be black power.
See how fast you run? I want to see. How you gonna tell how fast you can run?
I'm just running. You just want me to run. Just run. Just do it. Move, Chubb, so your auntie can run. Yeah, right. My sister wants to run, let her run. Run.
Go.
Dad, what you rush because your 20-minute football game ain't no rush. We don't wait 20 minutes. 20 minutes, boy, by out.
That's jogging.
That's not running back there. I don't know what you call that, but that's not running back there. That's not running. You should sprint. You should down the hands on your knees and
You
sprint
should
out.
have just walked fast.
That's not running. That's jogging.
Running.
No, you like you running.
You were
That's how you
fast
run.
walking. That was
You
fast. That's exactly how she was running. Babe, come here.
Oh, Lord, y'all should do her like that. Lord, my God. Who has to wait harder? But she been step on you with those big old shoes.
She was the wrong
Look, Joe.
Go! She's practicing. She's practicing. Go!
She's still on blue.
You saw grandma? What are you running for? I said I can't run. That was fast.
Run, Sean. Go ahead.
She always on that show. You always fall for elbow bullshit.
The boys are. Right? I'm gonna go back and look at the bathroom. I'm out. That was a go now, baby. That was a good. I can stay at home. Okay. I had it on right. This side part. I don't know how they go.
And he just sitting there just like,
Don't be feeling me.
it's too late now. You might as well go on with the party.
Y'all ain't saying loud enough. It's just big, but that's her was fat. You understand? She was fat and she lost all that weight. So it gives you that sometimes.
Boy.
She hear that. You filming that shit. And Tracy hear this.
Tracy ain't gonna watch this.
Jimmy's done.
Tracy did subscribe to our channel, babe. She been subscribed.
Not that Tracy, we have another Tracy.
Oh, I talking about Tracy. Tracy been subscribed.
I'm gonna put you in.
Tracy been subscribed to our channel.
That's what my name
Oh, I think
It's a
so.
lady named Tracy. Just keep saying Tracy been subscribed like I ain't subscribed to this channel. Just keep on saying it.
Well, I
I done
mean,
watched all the videos.
you gotta be faithful. You can't be fake.
My sister is Tracy.
I don't like fake. I don't like fake subscribers.
Your sister and brother watch our channel? No,
My
they
brother
don't.
do. Yes, he do. She partnered and everything.
Just like you got hit out of a car, I got thrown out of a car. Sherry?
Oh, sure did that.
No. Yes.
You see how they let me tell my story?
Close the door.
She sat up quick when she said
Who
that.
told her that? But who told her to close the door? Who closed it? Who told her to close the door? I'm a child in elementary school.
I didn't know Sean had got out the car.
Sean must have been on something.
I saw Sean run behind the car in the rearview mirror.
Thank you.
Hey, look, see, like Joan might have to come do some counseling.
My childhood was rough. But who broke a child's collarbone? I don't know. Who would do a thing like that? That was broke a baby's collarbone. A very evil person.
Sure broke your collarbone? Oh,
Sean
sure.
broke T collarbone.
Well, Sean, I was gonna say not me. I'm not you.
I was thinking, you had me thinking hard.
When I did that? I apologize.
Mrs. Jensen, she keep moving every time you don't move us. I take to the doctor. I said, baby got a collarbone.
looking at me like I'm crazy. Like, what? Then Sean said, stand up there. I did her like this.
Trying to take her
out.
She sound like that.
No, Sean said that told the doctor. I took her and did her like this.
You better be glad, Sean.
I'll probably be going to jail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they thinking them, they got my mom, got them, and they think my mama beat me. But she's my sister. And I love my sister.
I don't know what she's trying to do to her. She might be trying to.
I think she was trying to take me out.
Out the car seat.
Huh?
I think I'm laying on something.
She wasn't laying on that. She would take that bottle. She took it in.
What did they say? I don't know. I used to fight, so I don't remember that. What they said?